The future of off-road luxury has arrived. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, the all-electric reincarnation of the iconic G-Wagon. For decades, the G-Class has stood as a symbol of rugged capability and opulence, a machine that conquers mountains while draped in leather and chrome. But now, Mercedes has reimagined this legend for the electric age, blending its unmistakable boxy silhouette with cutting-edge EV technology. The question is, does the EQG live up to the legacy? Let's dive deep into every detail, from its jaw-dropping design to its earth-shaking performance, and find out if this electric beast is worthy of the G-Wagon name. At first glance, the EQG is unmistakably a G-Wagon, bold, squared-off, and exuding dominance. But look closer, and the electric DNA reveals itself. The traditional grille is replaced by a sleek black panel with illuminated Mercedes-Benz lettering, glowing like a futuristic badge of honor. The circular LED headlights, now more intricate than ever, give it a piercing gaze, while the aerodynamic tweaks, subtle but effective, hint at its efficiency-driven heart. The rear keeps the classic spare wheel cover, but now it's a storage unit for charging cables, a clever nod to tradition meeting innovation. And those squared wheel arches? They now house massive alloy wheels designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. It's a perfect balance, honoring the past while charging into the future. Step inside, and the EQG wraps you in a cocoon of luxury and tech. The cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore with trim create an atmosphere of pure opulence. The dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital cockpit, the other for the infotainment, dominate the dashboard, running Mercedes' latest MBUX system with Hey Mercedes voice control. But the real magic? The EQG's off-road interface, displaying real-time torque distribution, battery status, and terrain mapping. The seats are throne-like, offering massage functions and active bolstering to keep you comfortable whether you're crawling over rocks or blitzing down the Autobahn. And with a near-silent electric powertrain, the Burmester 3D sound system fills the cabin with concert hall acoustics, unless you prefer the artificial G-Roar, Mercedes' playful take on an electric exhaust note. Beneath that rugged exterior lies an electrifying heart. The EQG packs a quad-motor setup, one for each wheel, delivering instant, jaw-dropping torque. Mercedes hasn't released exact figures yet, but expect over 600 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in the low 4-second range. The real marvel? Its off-road prowess. Each wheel can be independently controlled, allowing for tank turn. Yes, the EQG can spin on its own axis like a military vehicle, and unmatched traction on any mounted low for optimal weight distribution. Promises over 300 miles of range, with ultra-fast charging that can juice up from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. And thanks to an advanced regenerative braking system, descending steep trails actually recharges the battery. Off-roading has never been this efficient. On the road, the EQG is eerily smooth. No roaring V8, just a whisper-quiet surge of acceleration. The air suspension glides over bumps, while rear axle steering makes it surprisingly agile for such a brick-shaped beast. But the real test? The dirt. Switch to off-road mode, and the EQG transforms. The suspension lifts, the torque vectoring kicks in, and suddenly, no obstacle seems too daunting. Whether it's rock crawling, wading through water, or climbing near vertical inclines, the EQG does it all without breaking a sweat or emitting a single gram of CO2. It's a surreal experience. So much capability, so little noise. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG isn't just an electric G-Wagon. It's a revolution. It takes everything we love about the iconic off-roader, the presence, the luxury, the unstoppable spirit, and elevates it into the future. Yes, purists might miss the growl of a combustion engine, but the instant torque, futuristic tech, and guilt-free adventure more than make up for it. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that even in the electric era, the G-Wagon remains the king of the jungle. And that's the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, a fearless fusion of heritage and innovation. What do you think? Is this electric G-Wagon the future of off-roading, or should some legends stay gas-powered? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars of tomorrow. Until next time, keep driving forward. This is Next Car.